Hey everybody, welcome to Sara's Cooking Show. My name is Sarah Johnson and today we're making marinara sauce. That's coming right up after these previews. I've got a lot of veggies chopped, so I'm going to start with the carrots, onions, and garlic. So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here, about 1 tablespoon or so. This is a new bottle, so it's a little tough to open. And we'll just get that going. Oh, it's got the little topper in there. I love doing this live. And as that heats up, I'm going to get the garlic pressed. I'm going to start putting that in. I'm going to do 2 at a time because these kind of are small. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic. This is going to be so delicious. And it's going to smell so good in this kitchen. So I'm going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of red wine. I love the sound of that when that goes in. It's going to give it a little bit of a rich flavor too. It's going to be so good. And oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put the crushed tomatoes in. I'm using 3. These are 28 ounce cans. I got them at the grocery store. If I had fresh tomatoes, I would have used those, but it's winter. So let's go ahead and pour this in. Number 2, this is going to make a lot of sauce, but I can use it in pizza. I can use it for spaghetti, whatever. It's going to be so, so good. Nothing like homemade sauce. Especially tomato sauce. So we're going to stir this up. And I've got some other stuff to put in. So what I'm going to do is put in the basil. This is the oregano, fresh oregano. And I'm putting in parsley. So get that stirred in. The temperature's really come down, so I'm going to turn the temperature up a little bit on the stove. I've got 2 bay leaves in there, and I've given it a really good stir. I'm just simmering it on low. I'm going to turn it up a little bit, but I'm going to put in some red pepper flakes. And this is, you might see this at a pizza parlor. You know, they have the little shakers. You could sprinkle it on your pizza or pasta. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in. And the other thing too, you might want to do it to taste because this will really get hot. So I'm going to put a little bit in. Just shake some in my hand. And this is a lot, so I'm trying to be a little bold here. I mean, we have so many tomatoes in there that it's really not going to be super hot. But people, it's a good idea to put it at the table, so if somebody wants their pasta a little hotter, a little more spicy, just have them shake it on. It'll be perfect. And you can shake it on frozen pizza too. If you ever get frozen pizza at home, put it in your toaster oven or your oven, take it out and it's kind of bland, throw some of those on there. The sauce is done. It smells so good in here. The recipe will be on sarascookingshow.com, so you can go there and you can also watch the videos there too. I really appreciate you watching. I'm going to use this sauce for making pizza, and then I'm going to make a video about making pizza too because I make it at home sometimes. And you can also use it for chicken parmesan, pasta, whatever you want. Let's give it a taste. Wow. This is really, really good. I love it. It's got a little bit of a bite. We can taste the garlic, a little bit of the wine. It's so good. Thanks for watching again. I'll have more videos for you soon.